Backed by recognized local brands and an extensive track record, it took us less than a year to create Equans, a world leader in multi-technical services. Driven by the energy of our 75,000 employees in Europe, North and South America, and Oceania, sharing the same values, we have opened up new and promising perspectives. It could be a long story, but we'll manage to tell you about this founding year in 3 minutes. We built Equans as an answer to unprecedented challenges facing the world. A world that must decarbonize massively to achieve its energy transition. A world that is going digital to save energy, simplify transportation, improve the efficiency of industrial processes, and make the most of its data. A post-COVID world that is reinventing its industry, investing in clean rooms, microelectronics, and new biopharmaceutical processes. So, during this year, contracts and projects around the world can attest to our pride in providing technical expertises and customized solutions. As proximity experts, we have worked on major infrastructure projects, with the renovation of Belgium's largest road tunnel, on French highways, but also in energy infrastructures with a large-scale solar project in the US, the installation of high-voltage transmission lines near Vienna, and a substation in the Czech Republic. We have accompanied cities, small or large, to improve their attractiveness. We have built or renovated several industrial sites. Finally, we have equipped and maintained buildings to ensure their best use. The competence and commitment of our teams was also expressed in our process and specialty businesses. In transport, with the TER in Dakar, with onboard connectivity solutions, the facility management of Adelaide Airport and that of Montreal and Quebec, in the defense industry in the United Kingdom, and marine in France, in renewable energies, in the nuclear industry, in the food and beverage industry, in biotechnologies, in data centers, in clean rooms and gigafactories, in new technologies. All this in less than a year. Thanks to the know-how and experience of our teams, we can meet the challenges of our customers and support their performance as closely as possible to their needs, for today and for tomorrow.